it's Blessing Queen here. So I halfway did finish this. So, and I want you to mumbly. Thank you for everything. So pardon me and actually on my videos. Days. Well, no, not a few days. A few days. I will have a headset, and if I play with my boyfriend and his friend, you will hear them from my mic on my phone. So, keeping you updated about that, because that is coming up soon, and I hope you guys really like of us having fun, because we really wanted to play together on my own channel, and because I never had a headset, so I'm gonna get one and play with them and have a little fun. So I'm gonna talk about how much it means a lot to everything to me. So I'm going to tell you guys who actually made me scared to do this. And it's not personal, it's not seriously. So who actually cheered me on doing this is Tyler the King, my boyfriend. And he actually cheered me on doing this. And I was very happy he did, because I never had a spirit to do a channel. And I usually never have the courage to do that. At least I have someone by my side to try to be there. I didn't have that directly, actually. So I completely love when Tommy supports me. And it means a lot to me. So, and I'm very grateful you guys support me on my own channel too. And I want to say thank you very much for doing that for me. And what time is it? That's what I'm happy about, and that's why I keep moving on, going very farther keep going. I really do want to get there. I don't know who did this. I don't. Okay then. But it means a lot to my family and me, because tell you the truth, one time I was little, I never believed. This is not personal, it's the truth. I told my boyfriend the same thing, it's the truth. I never believed I will have a YouTube channel, and it's surprising for a small channel that not have one. But it's true, honest opinion, it is actually true. If I don't finish this for a day, I'm sorry. It is actually true. Oh my god. I never believed I would create a YouTube channel. At least I had support, because I get so nervous, so shy. I didn't know how to talk to people. I didn't know how to talk to my own channel. And at least my boyfriend said I can talk about anything. At least I was comfortable. So that's when I got my comfort uncontrolled. And I was pretty much glad he was there. And if you guys watched him before, he is a sweet person. Very, very sweet person, I'm gonna be honest with that. If you have, I will cut this short too, because it is getting late too. And, and this, where I'm going, it's over there. I'm just grateful for all of you supporting me and my boyfriend, so I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and follow and like that button. I'll see you in the next video or next chapter. Later. And I love all of you supporting me and my boyfriend. Let me do this first. I'll see you guys later on. Later.